Right now, it is what is today? Sunday! The day they don't deliver mail.
Who are these new people?
We have a special guest. We have our normal people. We have Derek's leak right here. We got William's leak. We got new Half-Life man, Andy Lang.
Hello.
And we have Andrew Garcia, who you guys know. And of course, we have Sean right here. Just like that. We have a lot of boxes from you guys, more than we were expecting, because we were away for about a month in Hawaii, and not a month, maybe like 2 or 3 weeks in Hawaii, and it was during Christmas, so I think a lot of you guys sent more stuff than usual. So thank you guys so much. We're about to find out right now on Teehee Time. Give them the jingle, singers.
Teehee Time, all the time. Let's see what you have, Andy.
For those of you that don't know, Andy's the one who did Nice Guys, Bromance, and he's also doing our Teehee Time jingle right now.
Teehee Time, all the time.
That's mine. That's the most original thing I've ever heard. That's probably the best thing I've ever heard in my life.
Hey, that was just like mine!
Alright, let's do this.
We all fit? It's like a little too many people.
I mean, I love this room, but should we just do this up there?
No, I like being close to you guys.
But it's so crowded.
Let's do it. Let's go on an adventure.
Adventure time.
Teehee time.
What is happening with this intro right now? Welcome back to another episode of Teehee Time.
Teehee time all the time.
I guess that works. Damn, dude, what is that?
I got a letter opener for Christmas, and it's a sword! It's from Lord of the Rings.
2 swords in one.
If you recognize this, then you're my friend.
What is that?
It's a cup from
Who is it from?
all the way from
That's actually really cool.
Japan, bro.
Oh, it's
Microwavable dishwasher safe.
It's made in Japan.
I got gum in mine.
What?
Hey!
There's not enough for everyone.
Don't tell the world my name and number. Okay.
Oh, you mean
Please call me. Looks like
Hey!
that's not a scarf. That's a cup holder.
Yeah, did it? Thank you, Allie. And this looks like a lot of work. Then again, I don't know how to sew or whatever.
Ew! There's toilet paper in here!
What? That is
Put me on it!
Oh my God! Look, a pickle.
What? Oh my god.
Disgusting.
Oh, another one.
Nice.
From Sarah.
Hey, what
She
the?
looks like a pickle!
Oh my god.
This is pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie.
What is that?
A Just Trollin'.
Damn.
It's from Anthony.
Is that a wristband?
Marcelino, yeah.
From Taiwan, Iris,
That's it.
IM, LB, Ian, LB, and Annie. Taiwan.
Oh, that's the
What is that?
Food stuff. What is that?
Dude.
The doll is drawn by Iris. She wants it to be the ugliest doll you've ever seen.
She wanted it to be the ugliest
Well,
doll.
I mean,
It's up there.
I
It's
think it's really up there.
Yeah.
What is this one?
Alright, what you got?
A diary made out of wool and tiger's print. Our first date. And then he took me to prom, and then that's when I said yes, that I'll be your girlfriend forever. This is Christmas when I gave him Marley. He was so happy. And then he gave me Foofy. This is the day that I cannot forget because this is when he told me that I was his booby. And then he told me to marry him, and I said yes. And this is our wedding. And he was walking me down the aisle, and I said, "You're cray." And then his sister showed up.
Oh my God.
Oh, and then we did our honeymoon, and we went to Lake Tatakikiwiki. And then boom, bada boom, we made a baby. And then he got me a baby, and then I paid a child support. I said, "What about a baby?" And he said, "That ain't my baby." I said, "The baby look like you, Ryan. So Ryan, you better say the child support." And then I said, "Fine." And then we took a picture by the turkey. And then he had a big old head, and I said, "Your head too big. Let me put a helmet on it."
Damn.
And then we went to Aspen. And then we went camping. We saw a up deer. The end.
YOLO, right? YOLO. Well done. Why narrate it?
I'm strong. Oh, dude.
Oh, you just ripped the corner over
I
here.
am strong. I am strong.
You're scaring me.
Is that a little popcorn chicken?
Oh, this is from Hawaii, isn't it?
This looks like it's from Hawaii. Let's see. I'll read it in Pigeon for them. I know that the family back in Hilo, you probably can get local foods with no problems. But I thought this would be a nice Christmas gift on belated Christmas gift. Also, I wanted to say that when I maybe one of the older brother introduced, older brother, do your version.
Thank you.
You just offended all the Hawaiians in the world.
I love Hawaii. I want to live there with everything of my
They don't
life.
want you there anymore. They said nope. Ole bala'au. These are like my favorites. Look how much there is. So much all the way from Hawaii.
Oh my god.
What is that?
Something crazy.
Dude.
Wait, it is from Russia.
Is it really?
Wow. How'd you?
Dude,
You
high five.
are a historian.
Dude, that's hella nice.
Whoa.
A movie.
Hey, Mulan! Dude!
Oh my god.
VHS!
For most of you kids out there, you're going to the
This is
Like-
way better than Blu-ray. Hi, my name is Judah. All of you are awesome. I love your videos. My favorite video is the Candy Crush trailer. I hope you like this picture I drew of Greg. Ryan, Greg, Will, and Sean are cool.
Yeah, we got a panda head though.
A wooden guy.
Yeah, he says YOLO though. Higa boy? This is me. It's a voodoo doll again.
Oh.
Damn, they went old school on your ass.
That's like the Hogwarts thing. Let us do it. That's the stuff they use in Hogwarts, right?
Yeah.
Wax.
What if?
It's your letter. Congratulations.
You're in!
It just says, sup, nigga, Higa, you are cool. I'm in! You got the Naruto paper bomb thing, if you watch Naruto, which is super cool. And I guess I'll see you guys later.
See you later, man.
Why is my name on here?
It's for you, dude.
I got mail? Thank you, Carly.
Once again, it's time for the awards. The best photoshopping skills to make a fictional family album award goes to Thelzy and her creative family album. The best knitted gift and probably the only knitted gift we ever received in our mail award goes to Ali and her beautiful scarf with Ryan's name on it. And the drawing that looks the most like Marley award goes to Ivanova and her beautiful portrait of Marley. Congratulations to all of our winners.
Thank you again, everyone, for sending us stuff to our P.O. box. We really do appreciate it. So thanks again to everyone for tuning into Teehee Time. We'll talk to you next time. But before we go, we got a special musical guest. Mr. Andrew Garcia and Andy Lang are going to be freestyling a song. To some good days that we have a freestyle song by Andrew Garcia and Andy Lang. Starting with...
It's a panda hat. It's a panda and a little wooden man and a little cup made from Japan. Yeah. Oh, GTFO sign. And thank you for the ugly little doll. Yeah. The ugly little pink doll with a teehee on the back of the head and a little writing on the arms because it got a bunch of tattoos. Hey, 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 yeah. And a little Mario car. That's Wario, not Mario. Oh my God, sorry, yo. And somebody gave us some scissors because we use these some our scissors so we can open up the boxes. Yeah. And then we got a Russian hat. Oh, won't you put on the chorus again? Yeah, we got the Russian hat. Yeah, we got the Russian hat. Yeah, we got the Russian hat. That's so beautiful. We got the Russian hat. Yeah. Oh, the Russian hat. Yeah. Oh, the Russian hat.
Higa.
So thank you guys so much for watching another Teehee Time, and if you guys want to see another, shut up over there, Andrew, Andy. Like I was saying, if you guys want to see this video, if you guys want to see the last mail time, shut up, all of you.
Teehee Time.